Hey there, guys. Here's the instructions on how to make your Padlet invention post. So while the plow and the sickle and papyrus and the bow and arrow and the long bow and I guess even decimals were great ancient inventions that you guys have read about, I want you to find a modern invention. So your task will be to find and post about a modern invention. That's something we have now that has improved our lives or contributed to modern and has contributed to modern civilization. And then you're going to comment. Okay, so here's how you make your post. First, you need to look at this Padlet because you cannot choose an invention that someone else has already used. So if you're the first person doing this, you can pick whatever you want, except for mine. If you were the last person doing this, then you might have to be a little more creative. It's the advantage for being on pace. So you're going to click here on this Padlet link. It's going to take you to the best inventions ever Padlet. And you will see there's already a post there. And I'm going to show you how to make yours. So you go down here, you're going to hit this plus sign. Right here where it says title, you're going to write in the name of your modern invention. Not that, so let's say I put automatic coffee maker. Underneath where it says write something, you are going to write 2 to 3 sentences, and you're going to write about how do we use it? How does this modern invention make our lives easier or better? How does it contribute to our modern civilization? So you're going to write that in here. And then you need to add your picture. So I took my Chromebook over to my kitchen. I took a picture with a camera of my coffee pot. And then you'll go to upload and you'll go to pick file. Mine's there because I already did it. But you'll go to pictures. You'll have to find your pictures camera roll. You'll select it. You'll hit open. And then there it will be. That's all you have to do to post yours. Okay? Then you're going to need to go in here and you'll see underneath you can write comments. So you need to comment on at least 3 other posts by other students. You could agree or disagree. Maybe you write down here, Ms. Ray-Budman, I think you're crazy. I don't think the automatic coffee maker is really that great of an invention. Or whatever you want to say. Or maybe you want to agree with someone and say, yes, I agree. I use that all the time. Or maybe you want to make a connection to an older invention or the future of that invention. Or make some observations about how it impacts us. Maybe it's made us lazier. Or maybe it's made us healthier. I don't know. You're going to choose what you want to comment on. Make sure you do that for 3 other people. You might have to come back to the Padlet if you until there's enough people on here for you to make your 3 posts. So that's how you add your Padlet. So have a good time. I'm excited to see what you guys come up with.